Hey guys, just doing an unboxing of the F-16 Fighting Falcon that I just got from bananahobbies.com. Costed me about $230 without the remote. I'm gonna try to buy my own remote. This is a electric ducted fan jet. Should be going about 95 miles per hour at the top speed. So let's go open this thing up and see how that looks. Wow, that's pretty big. Don't know if you guys can see that. Looks like the nose cone. They make them soft so that way when I do crash I'm not breaking the main body. Everything's pretty much covered in plastic and bubble wrap. Let's see, take this off. So what we got here? Bubble wrap? Wow. This thing is real big. Just want to make sure that nothing is broken. That is huge. A lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. It's beautiful though. Beautiful. So we got the main fuselage right here. That's pretty. That's pretty. Huge. Way bigger than I thought it was going to be. Way bigger than I thought it was going to be. You can see down there. There goes the fan. The detail is just perfect. You can't even tell this thing is made of foam. Okay, let's put that down there. Let's see what else we got. We got the manual. Wow. The canopy. That is beautiful. I am really impressed. For $230. Beautiful canopy. We got some missiles. I'm gonna have to glue everything together. Looks like missiles or fuel pods. Go that there. Got the wheels. Pretty good. I don't know what's in this box. We're gonna find out a little later. We got the wings. Make sure that I don't break anything. Wings are all inside of their own bags. Wow, this is real big. I'm really surprised at how big it is. Got elevators. And this right here looks like the ESC, electronic speed control. Alright, well, next video, I'll pretty much be building it up. Thanks for watching, guys.